Hey guys, it's Steve from Resale Dojo, and I'm going to show you the top supplies that I use to ship out my DVDs, and this will help you streamline the products that you have for when you start making those sales. Now before we get to the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you get the latest videos in your feed. Now the top item that I use is the 6x9 bubble mailer. I think it's pound zero is whatever the designation that they have it on. I will put a link below for you guys on it. I buy these in packs of 250 off of Amazon for about like 25 bucks. It is such a steal with these. The one caveat that I'll tell you about this bubble mailer that I buy, sometimes it's a little bit tight, so you just need to split it out a little bit, just stretch it out, but it works really well and it's super cheap. The next item that I use the most is this Air Jacket bubble mailer from eBay. This one, I think it's 14 by 11 and a half. But the nice thing about it is that it could fit a lot of different DVD sets that you have in there. So you could put a whole set in there, put it like that, and then close it up a little bit, right? If you're gonna have it the long ways going this way. But if you're gonna put in like maybe one that's like maybe an inch thick or something like that, you just put it in there, fold this over, then just seal it, put your tape on, and it's good to go. It is such a great bubble mailer. It has so many uses to it. It fits a lot of different sizes for me. And this one I get off of eBay. It's like the eBay supplies. And I use my store coupon for this every quarter. Now the third most common item that I use is this 8x6x4 box from eBay. You get this also from the store, see 8x6x4, and it works really well. This is when I have many sets, right? If I'm selling a series, I'm going to put it in there and it fits perfectly in there. If you have a little bit of space, get a little craft paper or newspaper and just fill it in there in the space so it doesn't rattle around too much. I will also put series in there that I want to be more protected on. Maybe it's a little higher dollar amount one and I don't want to put in a bubble mailer. I will put it in this box just to make sure it has that protection. Now you can buy other boxes as well. I will also suggest for you to get like a 12x8x5 box. I get those from Walmart all the time. I think they go for about 50 to 60 cents a box at Walmart. Those are really good if you even have even more sets in there, or maybe some oblong DVD sets in there, ones that are a little bit longer than the normal ones. Also, to make sure you're getting the cheapest rate possible from eBay, make sure you have a scale at home so you could be measuring out, weighing everything, and printing out labels from home. I prefer an Accutex scale that I got off of eBay. I'll put a link below to that as well. It's just a nice shipping scale that I got for I think 25 to 30 bucks. I'll put a link, see if it works for you. But that's the one that I prefer for myself, and I've had it for about 2 years now and I haven't had any issues with it. Also, you're going to want to have tape, plenty of tape. I just buy 8 packs from Walmart as well. I believe I get 8 packs of the packing tape for $8 or $9. Super cheap there. The best deal that I've found around. Just go ahead, shop around on those. Any type of packing tape will work great for you. So those are my top supplies for shipping out DVDs and DVD sets. Hopefully this helps you out, makes it easier for you to streamline your business when you are going to be selling DVDs. And if you like content like this, make sure you go and check out the rest of my How to Sell DVD series that I have on there. I'll have a link at the end of this video. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you get more of these videos as well. And as always, I'll see you next time. Bye.